Now I gotta give you your whole wheat. Love your whole wheat. How are you doing, Bucky? Alright. Take this into the girls and see if we got any eggs.
Come on, Branch. I'll grab one of these for you.
Remind me to... I think I got some in there. Alright, gotta get back. Gotta get back. Got at least one egg. You gotta hold on until I get... Oh yeah. Because we got 2 eggs today. Alright, calm down. Calm down. There's up one more. There we go.
You want the water?
Oh, I gotta get the eggs first.
Oh, okay.
Alright, out of the way. Two eggs.
Okay. You want to put them in my pocket?
They can get in your pocket. Yeah, be careful you don't end up
I know. Leaning against
smacking
anything.
yourself. Gotta
Okay.
either open or close the door.
I'll close it. Do you want
Yeah,
Clay?
get around you.
Do you want the other water in
Yeah.
this barn?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we got to go back and get the water. Got the dog with me. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, Branch. He's like a kid, he wants to be wherever I am. Okay. I'm in here now. Okay, guys. You gonna stay outside, Branch? They're hungry. The feeding has begun. Don't worry, guys. There's plenty, and there'll be snacks later. Clay and I are firm believers that you should have food in front of your animals all the time.
Well, we got kind of a little overboard eating this last night, so that's why they're so hungry this morning.
Oh, what? Oh, you got last night?
Yeah, because it was... We'll give it a spin and get some of that feed down there. Look how big these Brahmas are
Oh,
getting.
I know.
Come on. Won't be long and I'll be able to take them phony eggs out of there if we're getting...
They got the X on them, the phony ones do.
We got chickens that are laying eggs in the way they're supposed to.
Okay.
Knocking my garbage bag over.
Uh-oh, sorry. Boy, that one's grumpy.
Let me look at that. Might have been somebody laid an egg in there. I
Okay.
got to check Bucky.
Oh, yeah, my bunny's in here, too. Oh. Well, let's see. I don't see any eggs in here.
Alright, there's nothing in there.
No, there's Bucky, my bunny.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh.
I dropped that.
Well, these guys are quick to grab it up. Hey, Bun Bun, Bucky boy.
He's full.
Does he got food in there? Oh, yeah. I think.
Food in the dish?
Wait a minute, I thought
He's
for a
got,
minute.
corn, he's got corn and wheat in the feeder.
Okay. I'll peek in here.
Just look in the dish.
No,
There's nothing? All right.
no, I just need to give him a little something.
Bunch of chickens will get by you.
Yeah.
Because they will.
Okay, let's get stuff here.
Get in there, Junior.
Go on, go back.
Here.
Pig, what do you want to do that
Here.
for?
Give us.
Here.
I'll give this to you, right?
You might have to go in there. This little guy's. He'll move when you
You
move
gotta
in.
back up so I can get through there.
Okay.
Come on, you don't need that corns in the door. Go in with the rest of them.
Okay, so
What's up, ladies?
Bucky's getting fed.
There you go, Bucky. Uh-oh.
What happened?
It just came off your door. The hook came off his door. I got it.
Oh, okay, he's happy. Bucky! How you doing, boy?
All right, come on. Still gotta get our water jugs fixed.
Okay. How you doing, baby? My poor little puppy.
All right. We'll close up the rabbits, pellets, and stuff. Close everything up. That's all I hear you. What's the matter, Boo?
Okay, guys, that's chores. So, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.